We'll guide you through how to cut video with FFmpeg. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure you already have the FFmpeg command line tool installed and recognized by your computer. Open your File Explorer application and perfectly locate the specific video file that you actively want to cut. Right-click your selected video file, select the rename option, and easily give it a simple name exactly like input.mp4 to avoid typing errors. Next, click directly on the directory path located in the address bar at the top of your active File Explorer window. Carefully highlight the text, securely type CMD straight into the address bar, and press Enter to immediately open the command prompt straight inside that exact folder location. To begin cutting, accurately type FFmpeg -i followed by a space, and type your original file name, input.mp4. Add another space, and type -ss space 00:00:10. This specific command tells FFmpeg to start cutting exactly at the 10-second mark. Add a space again, and type dash to space 00:00:20. This tells FFmpeg to stop cutting exactly at the 20-second mark. Next, add a space and type -c space copy. This is a very important step because it seamlessly copies the original visual quality completely without re-encoding, making the overall process extremely fast. Finally, safely add one last space and type the desired name for your new cut file, like cut.mp4. Your final command should exactly look like this: FFmpeg -i space input, .mp4 space -ss space 00:00:10 space, dash to space 00:00:20 space, dash c space copy space, cut.mp4. Firmly press Enter on your computer keyboard to perfectly execute the cutting process. Because we flawlessly used the copy command, the active terminal will safely process the video almost instantly, without a long loading time. Once the black terminal screen properly returns directly to the default typing prompt, the cut is finished. Safely close the command prompt window, completely return to your File Explorer, and confidently double-click your new cut.mp4 file to perfectly verify that the video is completely trimmed.